Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you join a Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to join the Discord server, firstly you have to know name of the Discord server you need the invite link of the Discord server. In this case, I'm just simply using my browser in order to find a simple server in order to join. Now I'm simply joining this server right here. Now in order to join the Discord server, tap to the link or open that link and it will open like this into your Discord application. Now you just simply have to tap to this accept invite option, and after this you will successfully be joined into the Discord server very easily. This way you can also join any of the Discord server in very easy step. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.